Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. But first, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're all doing well. I hope the weather, as far as the heat is concerned, I hope that you have found a little bit of better weather. Ours has gotten a little cooler. We've got a little bit of humidity this week, but it's not as bad as what it's been. So, I am going to apologize. You might hear the boys in the background. They are playing. And I am using natural light today. It is a gorgeous day outside. The sun is shining. It's like 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just didn't want to turn my lights on. So I've got a window right here. I've got one right there, and I'm hoping that y'all can see what I'm about to show y'all. And if not, let me know in the comments, and I'll turn my light back on. Alright, so this comes to me from DPClubs, and Emily, I just want to say thank you for sending this to me to share with everybody. Now I've only got a couple things in here to show, so let's go ahead and get into this. Now the first thing I got was a canvas, and this is a partial special shape drill canvas. And if you've been following me, and matter of fact, thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're not new, well, thanks for coming back. So, but if you have been following me, you know that I have gotten on this kick of some of these special drills with these girls, and I think I have got the last one. There was a set of 4 of these, and I think this is the last one. No, I think I've got one more. I think I've got one more to get. So anyway, this is a 30 by 40, and I do apologize for the glare, but she does come with a regular toolkit, which is just your green boat pink wax, regular pink single placer pen. That's all you need to do these. It does have the special gems, which we are going to look at here in just a second. Let me see if I can get her flattened out just a little bit more. Now, she is, like I said, a partial. So there are going to be parts of this that we are not going to drill. Like her face, none of this is sticky because we're not going to do any of this. Her skin, her hand, back here in the background, none of this is going to be drilled. Only the parts. Y'all, I'm about to burn up, and my arm is a little sweaty, so the plastic is sticking to my arm. Like I said, it's still a little humid here, but it is nowhere near like it was. Alright, well, that's a little bit better. So, she has got 7 gems. Now, as you can see, there is a thumbnail. It does have the gem numbers on here, or symbol, whatever you want to call them. But it is on the top right, or top left, bottom right. Let's go ahead and look at it. I'm curious to see. Okay, well, we've got some crystals, and they look to be like a very pale like a very pale gold, or maybe, I don't know what color you'd really call that, like a champagne, maybe. I'm going to assume that's her hair. Alright, and then we've got the pearl, half pearls. Those are going to be the 6s, I'm sure, because then you've got these half gold pearl things, and they're going to go right here on the 7s. And then what we have left are just going to be crystals. We've got green, we've got an orange, we've got clear, and we've got, is that pink? Yep. So that's going to be for the rose. So these are pretty. Very pretty. So on DP Clubs, this is called Elegant Girl, partial, 30 by 40, and she is $5.79. I'm just going to stick those back in there. She is very sticky. But she is very pretty. Or I think she's pretty. But like I said, there are 4 girls in this series. And I'm actually doing one right now. And I like doing these. Like, if I want to go outside and sit on the patio, I can just grab this. Matter of fact, that's what I do with the other one. I just grab it, take it outside, work on it for a little while. And then when I come back in, I just set it to the side and I work on my other one. This would be the only thing that I would consider I have a whip. This doesn't give me as much anxiety as having another one going on, like having the event that I'm going to be in. Because I know that this is just a casual, I'll do it when I do it. If I want to go sit in the living room, I can just pick this up, take it in the living room, and pull out my TV stand and work on it for a while. And, you know, it's no big deal. To where if I have the other one, I feel like, oh my God, I got to get it done. I got this other one I got to get done. And, oh. Alright, anyway, enough about that. Alright, the other thing that I got was these. Now, this is the set 1 of the 35 AB round drills. Alright, now I only got the first set, and I'm afraid I have messed up, y'all. Because I think instead of getting set 2 from somewhere else, I think I got another set of 1. So I might end up with a few sets of 1s. And I think I have a bag open. So I'm going to pause, and I am going to you know what? No, I'm not. I'm not going to put these in order like I did the last ones. So we have 741. We're just going to look at these, and then I'll pull some out, and we'll pour them in the tray and look at them. And then we have 781. We've got 209. $7.75. We've got $9.39. We've got 333. I gave the boys, they've got some of those Kongs. We got 780, and I filled them up with some treats while I was doing my videos, and they are rolling it all over the place, trying to get the treats out, and they is just under my desk with it. Alright, I'm going to have to pause because he's got it stuck, and if I don't, he's going to knock my camera off. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so we have 779, 938. We'll do a couple of the darker colors and then a couple of the lighter colors. There's the 310s. There's 208. But I honestly have not seen anything wrong with any of these drills. Even with the squares that I did the comparison video to. Or, well, it wasn't so much. Ooh, here's what's, because that was open. But yeah, the video that I did of the square the square drills, they looked awesome. I mean, and I've been using them in my Betsy Lynn canvas, and I can't tell a difference. I think they look good. Honestly, they look better because I haven't seen any of these that you know how the Aurora, okay, these are called ABs because AB stands for Aurora Borealis, if you are just learning about this. So all this is like a sparkly kind of layer that they put on the top of a regular AB to make it sparkle and shine. So in some of the other ABs, I've noticed that, you know, some of the layers of the shiny stuff flakes off, and it's not even coated right, and it's just gross, and it just flakes off, and, you know, it looks horrible. So I've not noticed any of that with these. I really haven't. So, Buster, you better get out. No, no. No. I got a bucket sitting over here with stuff in it, and he's trying to get in it. And I'm already upset with him because of something he's done that I don't know what to do about, which you'll see in a video, upcoming video. Alright, so here is, which one is this? 208. So, I don't know if this is going to focus. And like I said, this is in natural light. I don't see anything wrong with these ABs. They are all well coated. They're very shiny. I see a couple that might not have anything on them, but that's expected. So, you know, I expect that they're not all going to be perfect. But they look good. I'm seriously going to have to get the clean my trays. Alright, let's go with 3805. See what these look like real quick. Because I didn't want to make a real long video. Alright, so here are these. And again, these look really good too. So in the next video that I do, like I said, I think I screwed up and got set 1 instead of set 2 of the rounds. And if I did, then I'll show them again, but I may not. Well, yeah, I guess I will. But here's the 310s. Yeah, I will show them again because, I mean, some people may not see it. Plus, that's only fair to the other company. Those are gorgeous. And these are the 310s. Look at that. These are really pretty, y'all. So, I am really glad that they have started carrying the ABs. I really am. So again, I just want to thank Emily for sending these to me from DPClubs. Now, set 1 of the AB drills, these were $9.99 for 35 bags of ABs. But you get just a random mix of colors. I don't know why. I think maybe it's just a mix of the most popular colors, maybe. I don't know. Maybe they'll come out with a third set. Who knows? Maybe they're just trying it out to see, you know, how well they sell before they go in and make a third set. I don't know. And it may just be set 1, set 2 forever and ever and ever. I don't know. But anyway, recap. The Elegant Girl was $5.79. Set 1, 35 bags of AB drills round was $9.99. DPClubs. So y'all go check them out. I will have the links in my description box along with the website. So they're always having some kind of deal going on. I think right now they have got free shipping on international orders of $55 and more, or no, it might be $35. I think it's $35 or more. So yeah, go check it out. For 35 bucks, good Lord, y'all can get a whole bunch of stuff for $35. So, yeah, go check this out. And again, do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. Yeah. So, alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.